Welcome back to the coding interview series. Today, we are tackling the gas station problem. This is a classic question that tests your understanding of arrays and greedy algorithms. It is frequently asked by top tech companies, so mastering it is a great step forward in your preparation. Imagine a circular route with n gas stations. Each station has a certain amount of gas available. However, to travel from one station to the next, it costs a specific amount of fuel. Your goal is to find the starting station index from which you can travel around the entire circle and return to the start without running out of gas. You are given two arrays, gas and cost. The gas array tells you how much fuel you pick up at each station. The cost array tells you how much fuel is needed to travel to the next station. For example, at index 0, you get 1 unit of gas, but it costs 3 units to get to index 1. Let's see why simply picking any random start point doesn't work. If we start at index 0, our tank has 0 fuel. We add the 1 unit of gas available there. But the cost to travel to index 1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Since our tank cannot be negative, we fail immediately. We clearly cannot start at index 0. Before we dive into the algorithm, there is a simple check we can perform. If the total amount of gas available in all stations combined is less than the total cost to travel the entire circle, it is mathematically impossible to complete the route. In this case, we can return negative 1 immediately. If total gas is greater than or equal to total cost, a solution is guaranteed to exist. Here is the greedy strategy that makes this problem efficient. We traverse the stations one by one, keeping track of our current fuel. If at any point our tank drops below 0, it means the current starting point was invalid. But here is the key optimization. We don't just try the very next station. We can skip all the stations between our current start and the failure point. We reset our start to the next station and reset the tank to 0. Let's walk through an example. We start assuming index 0 is the answer. Our tank is 0. At index 0, we gain 1 gas but spend 3. Our tank becomes negative 2. This fails immediately. Because we failed, we know we cannot start at index 0. In fact, if we kept going, we would find we fail at index 1 and 2 as well. So, the algorithm resets the starting candidate to index 3 and resets the current tank to 0. Now starting at index 3, we have 4 gas and cost 1. We arrive at index 4 with 3 gas left. At index 4, we get 5 gas and spend 2. We finish with plenty of fuel. Since we reach the end of the array without the tank dropping below 0, and we already know total gas is sufficient, index 3 is our valid starting point. Here is the Python code. First, we check if the sum of gas is less than the sum of cost. Then, we iterate through the array. We add the difference between gas and cost to our total tank. If the tank drops below 0, we know the current path is invalid. We reset the start index to I plus 1 and reset the tank to 0. Finally, we return the start index. This solution is highly efficient. The time complexity is O of n because we pass through the array only once. The space complexity is O of 1, or constant space, because we only use a few variables to track the fuel and indices, regardless of the input size. To summarize, always check if the total gas is sufficient first. Use a greedy approach to find the starting point in a single pass. If you run out of gas at station I, your next potential start is always I plus 1. This ensures an optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.